Today we are talking about something cool called Compose in My Style. It's a way to make ChatGPT write just like you or your brand. But why would you want to do that? Well, it's all about building a strong brand identity and connecting with your audience. This can be super handy if you have a business with a particular target group or if you use a specific writing style for different things you write. Using ChatGPT like this can make writing stuff a whole lot easier. So, when should you use this trick? Compose in My Style is great for making content like letters in your company, marketing posts, or writing for your online store. When it's important to keep your brand's identity the same across different places. To make this work, you need to show ChatGPT examples of how you write or your brand's voice. This includes things like the way you talk, the words you use, and the style you have. The goal is to get ChatGPT to write just like you. Now let's see how this works with ChatGPT in action. Imagine you want to write a cover letter for a marketing job and you want it to sound like just your resume and other cover letters. You could say, write a cover letter for a marketing job that matches the style and tone in my resume and past cover letters. This tells ChatGPT to write like you. Then you can give an example cover letter. When you get the response, you can check how it compares to your other cover letters. For example, the greeting, "Dear hiring manager," stays the same, but you might want to make it more personal depending on the situation. When you look at the tone, both your original letter and ChatGPT's response are enthusiastic and positive. You said you were excited, and ChatGPT used another word to express a similar feeling. As you go through the text, you will notice that ChatGPT keeps your writing style but might change a few words here and there. Briefly, Compose in My Style lets you tell ChatGPT to write just like you or your brand. This can speed up writing while keeping things consistent with your style. Whether you are writing letters, marketing stuff, or anything else, ChatGPT can match your unique way of writing. Here is another example. Let's say you want to make a social media post to promote your new product and you want it to have the same style and tone as your previous post. You can use an old post as a reference and then tell ChatGPT what you want to say. It's easy because ChatGPT remembers your style, making things smooth and simple. So you can paste an old post and then tell ChatGPT what you want to write. For example, summer has arrived and we have an excellent new collection of sunglasses to enhance your fashion. Our latest sunglasses collection offers a wide range of both timeless and fashionable frames to cater for everyone's preferences. Enhance your summer style with our newest sunglasses collection, which includes styles like aviators and cat eye designs. Our polarized lenses not only keep your eyes safe but also enhance your appearance. Come visit us today to find the ideal pair of sunglasses for this summer. Emojis can make things more fun and engaging, especially on places like Instagram or social media. With the compose in my style trick and the right context, you can keep the same style and tone across different places, whether you are running a business or looking for a job. This way, your content will always have that excitement and positivity that makes your style unique. Good luck, and I am looking forward to our next lesson.